Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a quiet room with minimal echo and controllable light. You need usable space, roughly 8 to 12 square feet. Next, gather core gear: a camera, a cardioid mic, 2 soft lights, a tripod, basic acoustic panels, and reliable power. Once you have that, sketch a simple layout: camera at eye level, key light 45 degrees off-axis, background elements placed to create depth. These first steps set the foundation. Without them, later tweaks won't fix basic problems. Now dial in lighting, sound, and camera settings so your videos look and sound professional. Start with a 3-point approach: a dominant key light, a softer fill at about 1/2 strength, and a backlight to separate you from the background. Next, reduce reflections with acoustic panels, heavy curtains, rugs, or bookshelf diffusion. This controls reverberation and keeps audio clean. Finally, set the camera. Use a 24 to 35 mm equivalent, shoot 30 to 60 frames per second, and lock manual exposure and white balance for consistency across takes. Finish by assembling everything and running test recordings to verify the full setup. Position yourself using the rule of thirds with proper headroom and use 16:9 framing for most shots. Check focus and color on a calibrated monitor. Record short clips, inspect audio waveforms for clipping, and listen for hums or fan noise. If problems appear, replace or isolate noisy equipment, add extra acoustic pads, lower preamp gain, or swap light temperatures until audio and visuals are clean and consistent. One clear fix will usually solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.